Nagkakape na. Coffee.
I think we are live. Please check if we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Tuesday Atomy of the Marinduque Global Center. I will be your host for today. Let me just share my screen. Ayan. Okay, are we live? Okay, Marinduque Global Center. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hindi sabay-sabay, hindi pa tayo ready. Ulit, paki-unmute. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Go! Cherish the
Cherish
spirit.
Vision.
The vision.
Of the faith.
The faith.
Serve in humility.
Agile.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And welcome po ulit sa ating Tuesday Atomy of the Marinduque Global Center. So kung nanonood po kayo ng Facebook Live, comment lang kung taga saan po kayo. Welcome po. And I will be your host for today. My name is Diamond Master Raline Pilapil Minorca. So before we begin, I have a question for everyone. How many of us have dreamt and fulfilled our dreams? O, sino yung mga nagsulat ng dreams nila at nangarap at natupad ang inyong pangarap? O, yan ang aking tanong ha. Kasi nung bata ako, nangarap din po ako na makatapos ng pag-aaral. Ayan, naging nurse po ako dito sa Baltimore, Maryland, USA as a nurse. But today, I'm a proud auto sales master, diamond master ng Atomy Atlanta Center. And isa sa pangarap ko is magkaroon ng center education officer through Atomy. Naging totoo yung pangarap na yan. So only through Atomy na ang lahat ng pangarap ay matutupad. But for today, I would like us to focus on how to learn Atomy. I'll be providing all the resources na available para matutunan si Atomy. And if you will consider this as a business, of course, unang-una is kailangan nating matutunan ang company profile. So let's watch this.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global multi-level marketing company with a presence across the globe, surpassing 2.2 trillion Korean won in global sales and with a global membership of 15 million. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices. Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. With 19 international patents for a single product, it is forging a unique history in the realm of health functional foods. Absolute Skincare, which has become one of the best-selling cosmetics in the industry with sales of 100 billion Korean won every year since its launch. Absolute Skincare received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office in 2021 for the first time in the cosmetics industry, and was selected as world-class product for next generation selected by Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2022. Atomy practices customer-centered management in all its business activities. And such efforts were recognized by the acquisition of Customer-Centered Management Certification for 3 consecutive years, which is a unique accomplishment in the industry. Starting with the U.S. branch in 2010, Atomy is a global company that opened 26 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, Europe, etc., with 15 million members worldwide. In 2023, Atomy opened its EU branch and has plans for global expansion, with a focus on Africa, Latin America, and emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's Success System, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. As the next generation broadcasting system bridging online and offline realms, the Success Seminar manifests Atomy's vision for members worldwide. It presents a vision of global success that transcends time and space by merging business and culture. The ACTS project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower our active members around the world. Atomy is dedicated to providing full support for fostering global business activities. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy strives to minimize its environmental impact across all business activities. Through policies like transitioning products to zero plastic and introducing eco-friendly smart packaging solutions with the goal of becoming a global eco-friendly leader. Sharing is a mission that all companies must fulfill. As a result of its consistent annual giving for the last 3 years, Atomy has secured the #1 rank in the distribution industry for donations as a percentage of revenue among the top 500 companies in the country. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work, Korea. Atomy's executives, employees, partnering companies, and members all practice sharing together to improve the lives of all members of society. Whenever sharing is needed around the world, global branches will be united to support happiness for all. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Yes, we are proud Atomy. So, way back in 2020, nung unang-unang sinulat ko ang aking life scenario, at that time, ang hirap mag-share ng Atomy. Wala pa akong team, wala ding members, halos lahat nagre-reject, kapamilya, kaibigan. Ayan, maraming in-friend kasi tuwing i-contact mo sila, nire-reject ka. But then, with Atomy, and lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon is based on my experience, just a disclaimer. Although there are more successful leaders compared to me. But gusto ko lang i-share na through Atomy, lahat ng pangarap pwedeng mangyari. So it's up to you. And today, excited ako to share with you yung lahat ng essential steps to have a successful journey. Kasi even as a Diamond Master and Sales Master, Diamond Master, Auto Sales Master ng Atomy Atlanta Center, USA. And as a Center Education Officer ng Marinduque Global Center, being a nurse, I feel like successful na ako doon sa journey ko. Sabi ni Chairman, halfway na yon if you have reached the Auto Sales Master. Kasi nung nagsisimula ako, sabi ko, kung walang naniniwala sa akin, with this journey, kahit may isa lang na tao na mag-change yung buhay niya, just with the inspiration na ginagawa ko, or kung nakaka-inspire man, or with the story, or through him sa ating flagship product, or sa oportunidad or sa platform na meron si Atomy, kahit isang tao lang ang ma-change ko, that would be a great deal. So with the Marinduque Global Center, I envision that all the OFW Filipino workers who wanted to go home every 6 months, every 3 months, or be with your family, na kung kailan nyo gusto at makapag-retire ng early, I envision na kaya nyong gawin through the Atomy kasi we have this platform. At isa ako sa nangangarap na I would be retiring early doing the Atomy business. And we're halfway there. Okay? So with that company profile, just a quick review. We were founded in June 1, 2009. So kung hindi nyo alam yung exact date kung kailan tayo nabuo, para the next time na itanungin kayo ng kaibigan nyo, kilala mo, sino ba yan si Atomy? At least meron kayong ma-share. So founded in June 1st, 2009. Headquarter natin is sa South Korea. 2020 pa lang, we had hit that $1 billion mark. And right now, we have 15 million global members. Anong nangyari dun sa 1 million? Na-expire. Kasi hindi mo bili na isang product. Okay? Kasi at some point, I think 2 years ago, we are at 16 million already. And we offer thousands of products already with Azamol and different branches around the globe. Okay? Ito yung ating ang color ng Atomy is white and blue. White is for honesty and integrity, and then blue is for people-centered management ang pina-follow ng ating Atomy. Meet our chairman. So kung gusto nyo makilala si chairman, make sure manood kayo ng videos, channel Atomy sa YouTube. Pero ito yung pinaka-humble nating chairman. And I'm so grateful with him kasi shinare niya yung Atomy, hindi lang sa Korea, but sa buong mundo. Imagine, as of this moment, we have 26 regions. And then, beyond that, sa Europe na lang, you can register 31 consumers. So, ang dami nang pwedeng gumawa ng business or use Atomy as a platform or as a tool para maging oportunidad for financial and time freedom. Okay? Ang Atomy po ay hindi isang manufacturer, but we are an exclusive distributor of the Atomy brand. Okay? Atomy is a brand. Okay? So ito yung Kerry is a Korean government, okay, na responsible sa research and development. And then Colmar is an entity na may 100 years of experience na in manufacturing patented products. So nung nag-travel kami sa aming Korea Success Tour last April 10 to 15, 2023, we got to see yung mga products na manufacture ng Colmar. And we were surprised na branded products. So baka yung brand na ginagamit mo ngayon is the same company na manufactured by the same company. But we should be grateful na meron tayong products na gawa ng Colmar B&H and produce para sa masa, and it's very affordable. So that's just a quick review. But this is an amazing company. In the beginning, hindi ko rin siya kilala. Believe it or not, tinanggihan ko rin si Atomy nung simula. Sabi ko, ayoko mag-join dan. Kasi lahat ng tao is pasong-paso na sa network marketing company. Multi-level network marketing company. But this time, we are rewriting the history of network marketing company. Kaya I'm proud to say that I'm part of this business and this company. Okay, so last week ang topic natin is yung riding the bus, yung buy, use, and share. So for this week, ang topic natin will focus on the second action na ginagawa, learning the Atomy bus or learn the bus, okay? Sabi nila, ang Atomy parang online academy. Okay, sinong nangarap na makatapos ng pag-aaral, maging dinlister o nangangarap na makatapos ang anak, okay? Makakuha ng maging doktor, maging you name it, 'di ba? Or kahit pasang-awa, lampas ng hindi palakol ang grades. Dapat may dean's lister. Sino yung mga nangarap na ganyan? Or kung may anak kayo, kamag-anak, you are wishing for them to be in a dean's list or be excellent on whatever they doing. So gaya ng tanong ko sa kanina, nangarap ba kayo na natupad na? Okay. Kasi nung una, simple lang. Or baka naman nakalimutan nyo na yung pangarap nyo. Kasi ang daming obligasyon or busy sa mga obligasyon or mahirap ang buhay, walang budget, things like that. Kahit okay? I wasn't expecting to be part of this great system na Atomy. Kasi nung una, nangangarap din lang ako na maging speaker ng Atomy. And then eventually, I got to do my product presentation. Kahit hindi ko masyadong kabisado yung product presentation. But in my heart, kilalang-kilala ko yung product. Kasi I'm using it. I'm using the Himuhim. So it would be easy for me to share it. And then I got invited to do a product testimony. O, diba? Testimony kasi ang Atomy naniniwala sa honesty and goodness strategy. So you would only share your experience. If a product is good, then you share it. Then I got invited to share my dreams. Di ba nakakatakot? Nationwide, worldwide, naka-record pa, i-share mo boldly yung iyong pangarap. Parang nakakatakot naman. Sabi ni Chairman, kapag ang pangarap mo is hindi nanginginig yung tuhod mo or hindi ka nanginginig, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung pangarap mo. So when you're sharing your dreams na I have joined this company with a target income of $100,000 per month, ceiling income, diba? Parang nakakahiya namang i-share sino maniniwala sa akin. But if you believe, that would happen, okay? Sinong nangarap na gustong maging artista? Okay, so ako hindi ako nangarap maging artista, konti lang. But through Atomy, it was possible to be an MC. Sinong gusto yung maging host ng variety show, things like that. But I'm enjoying Atomy. And as I serve the Atomy America, I'm grateful that I'm able to be an MC for them sa New Jersey, sa Georgia. So yan ang mga co-host ko, di ba? Okay, so first action that we have to take, sinong nakinig ng motivational speech ni Royal Master Peter Lee last Monday, okay? Kasi ang ating Atomy system is 99% made for us. You just have to plug into the system. So kung napakinggan nyo ang recording ni Royal Master Peter Lee, tinatanong niya, to be successful here, you have to know your why. What is your why? Okay? Lagi ko sinasabi, dapat may notebook. Okay, so kung dala nyo yung notebook nyo at saka yung inyong papel, isulat na ngayon pa lang. Write down the 3 to 5 reasons why you are doing the Atomy. Okay? Let's take few seconds. Ayan, or few seconds. Write it down. Okay, nasa nang yung ball pen? While I'm clearing my nose. Ayan. Sa mga Facebook viewers po, make sure na magsulat din. Kumuha ng lapis, papel, ball pen, at isulat nyo. Just an example, ano ba yung sinulat ko? Kasi tuwing may mga lecture, may notebook din talaga ako. And I would write everything down. So, make sure na maganda yung notebook nyo para lagi mong sinusulatan. Ayan, hanapin ko yung sagot ko. Ayan. Okay, natapos nyo na ba? Okay, if you guys would like to share, kung sa mga nanonood sa Facebook, pwede nyo i-share, i-comment. Ayan. Ano bang sinulat ko? Retire early for family, travel with family and friends, time freedom, help people. O, diba? Simple lang, yun yung iba. Oh, so, ikaw, ano yung why mo? Bakit mo ginagawa si Atomy? Okay. So, thank you for doing that. At least tapos na yung isang action na yan. But main topic natin today is mobile app, online tools, and resources. I have posted the recording sa Marinduque Global Center. Sana nanood kayo. Kung may question, let me know. Okay? Kasi hindi natin matatapos lahat ng dapat matutunan in one sitting. Okay? Kahit na paulit-ulit ang marketing plan, ang compensation plan, company motto ng Atomy, just be ready to receive or to learn kahit na natutunan mo na, okay? Kahit isang phrase lang matutunan mo in one Zoom meeting, okay lang yun. Basta laging mag-attend at mag-plug in and be with your new partners to inspire them. Okay? Ano yung learn the bus ni DM Raylen? Kasi mahilig ako mag-coin ng word. Yung ride the bus, learn the bus, drive the bus. Ipapapatent ko yan kasi sa akin yan. Alam kong sa akin yan. Para madaling matandaan. BUS on how to learn it. First is be active and join the Zoom meeting. And then yung second is yung unlimited knowledge and information online. And then third is the support system or the success system. O, diba? So, be active in Zoom meeting. So, ang dami-dami nating Zoom. May daily pa tayo with the Household Gold Global. Meron tayong North Carolina Global Center meeting every Tuesday. Okay? And then, every Monday morning. Marinduque is every Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. kasi nag-daylight saving time tayo. But usually, it's 7 p.m. dyan po sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, ang Vision to Reality is every Saturday. So, if you have English partners, you can actually watch this. Okay? Ano yung mga unlimited information online? Sobrang dami. So, first is you have to install yung mga ibang app. Actually, may kulang pa dito na hindi ko nilagay. We have the Gmall app, the Atomy Shop, especially for Singapore, Europe, Korea. Ito na yung app na ginagamit nila. Eventually, we will all use this. Atomy Mobile, ito yung primary Atomy Mobile app na meron tayo. And how do you use it? Okay? It's either you share it with your friends so they can view the shopping mall and see the members price, yung mga products na meron tayo. Okay? Or if you are registering somebody. So, make sure na hindi ka agad ibigay yung sponsor ID kasi minsan ang tagal-tagal nila mag-register. You give the sponsor ID kapag actual na magre-register. And right now, we have an easy access. Yung link na ang isisend mo sa kanila. So, there are multiple ways na pinadali na ni Atomy kung paano maka-join or maka-register into the business. Okay? Of course, if you are joining a member or a consumer sa US, let's use the Atomy Atlanta Center. Sa Pilipinas, I would recommend kung may malapit po na center, kung saan nakatira, make sure you register that person to that particular center para ma-enjoy nila yung free shipping kahit isang product lang yung bibilhin. But of course, kung nasa Manila kayo at lagi ka naman nagpapadeliver, kagaya ng mga kaibigan ko, use My Center Marinduque Global Center to support us, okay? Kasi may mga free shipping naman if you meet yung minimum required purchase. Okay, our website and the Atomy app is actually a very powerful tool. Okay, kung hindi nyo pa nare-realize na ikaw mismo ang may-ari ng app na yan. Okay, so make sure you navigate your website, learn how to use it, and learn ano mga kailangang matutunan. Learn about the products. Learn kung ano yung available na products dyan. Okay? Here in the right upper corner, kung saan nakikita niyo yung Philippines, when you click that, you would see the 27 regions that we have right now. Beside this is the channel Atomy. Ito po yung mga videos, trainings, PowerPoint presentations, slides, success stories, replay ng one-day seminar, Success Academy, dito nyo makikita. And then Gmall are products that you can buy from Korea na nagsiship to different regions. So check nyo lang kung available. But this is available to deliver to US, to Canada, and to Philippines and other countries. So make sure you check kasi yung products na wala sa online shopping mall mo na Philippines or let's say America, you can buy it actually sa Gmall. Okay? You have the shopping mall to click your to shop, syempre, shopping mall. My office is ano ba mga matututunan sa my office? Sobrang dami. Okay, even the schedule, the marketing plan, lahat nandiyan na. Atomy Corporation, when you click this within your account, you would see the details kung history ng Atomy, management philosophy, the company motto, paano sila nagsimula, things like that. If you are on a desktop, when you click Atomy Mobile, you can see the actual view of the app kung paano. Okay, and this is the one that I used last time dun sa recorded na link na sinend ko yesterday. Okay? So, main website of the Atomy is the globalatomy.com or atomy.com. Okay? Kapag dinagdagan mo na yung atomy.com ng /PH, that's the direct link of Philippines. /US is the direct link of US. Canada is CA. UK is UK. Okay? So, nag-iiba-iba lang yung direct link. Yun yung shopping mall. Kasi nung una po, nung first time ko din gumamit, hindi ko yun alam. Laging dito ako pumupunta, atomy.com, and then I will click something on the right side, click the hub, click shopping mall. Ang dami kong steps. Hindi ko rin alam na may direct link pala ang shopping mall. Ay, may app pala ang shopping mall, ang Atomy. Imagine, owner ka ng app na yan. And you just need to give free access to everyone. Online Academy, yung channel Atomy, ganyan po yung direct link. And every country, every region have their own link as well. So kung gustong matutunan through the leaders of US, log in sa US. Kung may member ka from Mexico, log in sa Mexico. From India, from Malaysia. Okay? And then ito yung direct link ng Gmall. Sorry, it's jumping. Okay. Also, we have the YouTube channel. Okay. Why am I jumping? There we go. We have the YouTube channel, and each country also have their own official YouTube channel. So kung may YouTube account ka or kahit wala, create one, follow different countries. Okay, follow Atomy USA official, Atomy Philippines, of course, kasi mas applicable yan sa inyong business. And then key leaders and mentors, nung nagsisimula ako, kasi wala pag kasino na official YouTube channel, I was following Crown Master Jason Shim. He's a Royal Master then. And then Coach Ju, sa kanya ako natutunan ng Auto Sales Master. And then this time, I finally, after, kailan ko ba sinabi na, sabi ko, I'll be creating Rally Natin May 101. That was 2020, November of 2020. Alam niyo ba kung kailan ko lang na-launch yung YouTube? This year, November. So finally, sabi ko, I'll take action. Finally, I took action this year. So, I'm not hesitant na to record kasi ano naman, puro katotohanan naman yung i-record. And then it's just based on my experience. And sana, yung mga mistakes ko, yung matutunan ko sa mga mistakes ko, hindi ko na maituro sa lahat ng magiging members and team members ko. Okay? Follow different business page like the Atomy Philippines official kasi laging nandiyan yung mga promotional announcement, yung kung may bagong kung may up PV, kung may training, yung mga ganon, mga one-day seminar. Of course, Marinduque Global Center, specifically just for our team and my affiliates, my members, I always do gift giving kasi ganyan ako nagsimula, yung gift giving. And just know that you truly have the billion-dollar business. It's an online shopping mall, okay? And only through this business that you can be successful through teamwork, through educating your partner, through promotion and duplication. So marami pang pwedeng matutunan sa Atomy, okay? In your Atomy My Office, ito yung mga different functions na kailangan yung matutunan. So, aralin, okay? My group purchase, paborito ko yan kasi to monitor the points. General commission, of course. Every Tuesday pumapasok or nag-a-alert ba yung email nyo to notify na nagkaroon kayo ng commission. Okay, sa America, it's every Friday yung payday, pero every 7th and 22nd pumapasok yung mastership bonus. Lineage, of course, kailangang aralin yan. And we will have a separate training for the lineage and binary structure. Order history. Kung sakaling may problema sa order, may tracking number, find out kung nasa na yung mga in-orders nyo and then call the customer service, okay? You can actually track your order if it's through, I'm not 100% sure sa to go, but previously with the LBC natatrack yun, kung sino nag-receive, kung sinong pumirma. And then you have your shopping cart. Of course, your other powerful tool, yung My Life Scenario. So kung hindi nyo pa naisulat ang inyong mga pangarap or hindi pa kayo naglista ng inyong mga bucket list, Today is the day, okay? Wag nang patumpik-tumpik pa. When you write your life scenario, that would be your reality, okay? Under support, may mga announcements, frequently asked question, Q&A, seminar, and education. Like, saan mo matatagpuan yung mga different centers sa Pilipinas? Yan, nandyan yan. Okay? So if you have the iPhone and Android, kung wala pa po kayong Atomy mobile app, let's take an action. Download it now. So ganyan, i-search nyo lang and then i-add nyo sa inyong applications. So doing this as a business or doing this as a consumer is very simple. You just have to change for gold. Bakit ko pinangalan na change for gold? Kasi kanina gold din yung gold tassel kung graduate, no? Change for gold. Of course, gold means money. Kasi kung 47 years old ka na kagaya ko and you've been shopping sa isang shopping mall, have that particular store given you a cashback. Okay? You've been brushing your teeth all your life, I bet, or naliligo ka, diba? Naglalaba. Have you been paid washing your clothes? Have you been paid drinking coffee? Okay? In Atomy, it is an opportunity and we are grateful that the company is doing that. You change where you shop and you change your brand. Use the Atomy and you have an opportunity to get a cashback. So ano yung mga advantages? Bakit kailangan nyo mag-switch ng brand? Of course, ano ba yung mga kinukonsider mo kapag bumibili ng produkto? Diba yung kalidad ng produkto at saka yung presyo? But at this time, with the other brand, kung napakaganda ng produkto, minsan mahal. Pag mababa naman ang presyo, minsan walang kwenta, diba? But in Atomy, I assure you that the principle and the philosophy of the Atomy is to follow the absolute quality and absolute price. Ibig sabihin, luxurious brand siya, but very affordable yung presyo. Pangmasa. Okay. And bakit kayo bibili kay Atomy? Kasi this is the only way that you earn the point value. Lahat ng products ng Atomy may point value. And as you buy products from your own online shopping mall, mag-earn ka ng points. As you share it to others, yung pinag-sharean mo, mag-earn din sila ng personal points and then magiging group point value mo yon, which is which determines the income. So yung personal point value mo is a qualification for an income. And then kapag nag-share ka at nagkaroon ka ng group point value na makikita dun sa inyong My Office, automatic lahat yan. Kailangan nyo lang alamin ng konti. O kung hindi pa naiintindihan sa simula, in the future, maunawaan nyo din pinagsasabi ko about the point value. Just know that all the products in Atomy have points. And as you share it to others, they'll earn their points, but you earn the group point value, which determines the income. Okay, this book has been published in 2003, not related to Atomy at all. But if you read this, okay, you will be amazed na sa iyong bahay, simula sa kwarto, kusina, lahat, iba yung kumikita. But why not support your own online shopping mall, which is Atomy, na may oportunidad na magkaroon ka ng passive income. And in Atomy, we have an equal opportunity. We all say, see you at the top. Okay? Kasi may ceiling. Okay? Before, when I first joined Atomy, ang equal opportunity namin at that time is $50,000 per month. Our chairman, Hangil Park, computed it in a conservative way kasi hindi rin niya alam at that time. Pero hindi gasino nagbago. Hindi nagbago yung ating marketing plan, yung compensation plan. But na-improve kasi $100,000 yung month limit. So, hindi yung mga nagsimula lang ang kumikita kay Atomy, mas kumikita or may oportunidad na kumita kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang. Even if you are just joining now. Okay? Yun yung maganda kay Atomy. Kasi yung Imperial Master, they're paying the same amount as yung member's price ng mga products. So, kahit ikaw baguhan pa lang, you are paying the same amount for the products na sobrang mura. So kahit successful na sila, they will still buy the products of Atomy kasi mas maganda kesa sa isang luxurious brand. So I bet you have residual bills. Sino na naka-receive ng bill ng kuryente, ng renta? Ayan. Laging may monthly bills. So when you switch brand with Atomy, you have an opportunity to build your residual income. Sino mag-aakala, diba? From few years ago, way back 2020, sino mag-aakala that I will be able to build a residual income? Ang sabi ko at that time, syempre, dudera din ako. Sabi ko, totoo kaya sinasabi nila about the marketing plan? Kung kumikita. Sabi ko, kung first level of mastership is kumikita ng $2,000. Well, I can retire doing Atomy. Yun lang yung goal ko at that time. Wow. Diba? But it's true. And I'm telling you, I'm the living purpose kasi I'm enjoying it. And the other advantage and benefits is that you can actually inherit it to third generation, sa anak mo and then sa apo. Okay? Napakaganda ni Atomy, napaka-generous. So imagine, kung ipapamana mo yung ID mo na kumikita na, 'di ba? So, anong mas maganda? Hindi naman magtatrabaho ka ba ng another 30 years? Mapapamana mo ba yung career mo? Yung pagsasaka mo, pagiging doctor, pagiging lawyer, mapapamana mo ba? But an Atomy, pwede mong ipamana. And then automatic na pumapasok yung income. So, swerte na magmamana ng account ko. Ayan. Okay. Quick review. Although it's not our primary focus about the compensation, but I would like to highlight yung points na sinasabi ko kanina. Once you have created yung inyong lineage, yung consumer nyo sa left and then sa right, each time na mag-match, that means you have 300,000 points sa left and 300,000 points sa right side, you get a $60. Okay? Nung nagsisimula ako, masayang-masaya na ako sa $60 per month. Imagine, my company na gustong-gusto ko yung products, nag-i-enjoy ako habang ginagamit ko yung products, and yet, they giving me $60 per month. So, at that time, it took me 7 months bago pa ako nagkaroon ng commission. Imagine 7 months. But dun sa mga baguhan ngayon na nagsisimula, within 15 days, baka kaya na mag-commission. Kasi, ang dali lang maka 300,000 points. So, bakit hindi ako nagka-commission kaagad? Kasi I wasn't sharing Atomy. I wasn't sharing it to others. Sabi ko sa sponsor ko at that time, huy, wag mo ipagsabihan na gumagamit ako Korean product. O, di ba? Kasi nga, napakaganda niya. So, gusto ko lang siya i-keep a secret. Eh, hindi ko naman alam na yung business pala. Kailangan laway lang ang puhunan. Idaldal mo sa kanila kung maganda. Then now, I'm sharing it to all my friends na napakaganda ng produkto ni Atomy. Okay? Ultimong panghugas ng napkin, lahat na maganda. And we have the mastership bonus. Sa mga kagaya ko na mastership climber, imagine the company is giving back 20%. Okay. So focus, medyo maraming numbers. Okay, just focus your eyes dun sa monthly income of the auto sales master, 2,000 per month. 2,000 to 4,000. Diamond master, 4,000. Sharon Rose master, 10,000. We have a star master here. They're at 20,000 per month. Okay. Royal Master, Crown Master, Imperial Master, 50,000 per month. But at this time, Imperial Masters are actually earning up to 100,000. So sa mga nagsisimula kung baguhan ka, you want to achieve the sales mastership, eto talaga, kaya ko kayong, I can teach you all the ropes on how to become the sales master. Kasi maraming strategies yan. It's just a teamwork effort. Your ability and someone else's ability, things like that. But the 10% po ng sales mastership commission is umaabot ng $400 to $450 every 15 days. Bonus pa lang po yun. Hindi kasama yung general commission. So, in a 15-day period, you actually have an opportunity to earn almost $1,000. So, yun yung first level. Kaya sinabi ko dati, wow, yung 2,000 okay na, diba? Okay na. Okay. And I'm thankful and I'm glad na at least ako at saka ang husband ko, he is retired. He's there. Although I know he missed me, nandiyan sa Pilipinas kasi we're halfway retired. Nung sinulat ko yung pangarap ko, sabi niya, okay, let's take an action. We'll prepare. He'll prepare daw yung aming retirement sa Pilipinas, which is okay lang naman. So, we're there. Okay. So, kung kayo po ay nagsisimula and you want to use Atomy as a business tool, this is the income opportunity. And of course, you just have to plug into the system. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or is it possible? Diba? It's possible. As of today, we have 13 Imperial Masters. Imagine, nagsimula tayo ng 2009 and then we have Imperial Masters. Ano yung promise ng wala pala ako nung slide ng ano yung mga gifts kasi may mga one-time promotion gifts kapag na-promote ka sa Atomy. So yung Imperial Masters, yung last na sinasabi nila na it should be our end goal. Our goal, all of us is in line to become an Imperial Master. The question is when? Kailan ka magiging Imperial Master? But all of us have that opportunity to become Imperial Master. And I'm dreaming and I will be an Imperial Master. Of course, if someone, my members, my team leaders, okay, maging Imperial Master before me, I would be happy to. Okay, kahit mauna pa sila. Yan ang maganda sa Atomy. Hindi mo kailangang hintayin ma-promote yung upline mo, yung sponsor mo, for you to be promoted. Kasi your success is dependent sa'yo. Lahat yan nasa sa'yo. Okay? Your business is your business. It's not your downline's business. It's not your sponsor's business. It's dependent on you. Okay? So, ito po yung ilan sa mga Imperial Masters na celebrate na naka-receive na ng $1 million. Ayan, ang tawag ba dyan? Lagi ko nakakalimutan ang tawag dyan. Na dineliver ni chairman sa stage. Okay? They have received that. They have received an office with executive secretary na Atomy ang nagpapasweldo. They also receive a luxurious car na ang driver, si Atomy ang nagbabayad. Kasi sabi ng mga Imperial Masters, once they become an Imperial Master, they're not allowed to drive. O, diba? Although yung iba gusto na mag-drive ng sports car, pag Imperial Master ka, dapat may driver daw. So, sino kukunin mong driver? Yung nag-reject sa'yo, nakapamilya mo, na ayaw kang suportahan in your Atomy journey. Gawin mo siyang driver. Kasi kung ang sweldo niya, yung sweldo ng driver, magkano ba? I think it's $1,000 pesos din. O, diba? Hindi ko pa sigurado kasi hanggang Diamond Master pa lang ako. Okay. And then, I would like to share with you yung vision speech ni Crown Master Bunsuk Kim. So, yesterday, nag-attend ako ng one-day seminar. Sa Pilipinas, the one-day seminar is every Thursday. So, imagine this humble leader, Crown Master Bunsuk Kim. Kapatid siya nung isang Imperial Master. This one. Sponsor, Sukil Kim. Magkapatid sila. O, diba? Siya yung nauna, tapos eto, nung siya na yung nag-build ng business, I know from her story na talagang siya, hindi sila yung although I'm not sure, but I know she did it her way, okay? Kasi nga, he's also working on his weak leg at that time, but he made it. Nasa strong leg siya, so but she has to do it as well. So, bago mag-Atomy, ordinary person lang siya. Pinakita niyo yung picture nila from a poor family. Hindi nga siya nakatapos ng pag-aaral, elementary graduate. And kinikwento niya na ang pangarap niya dati is mag-travel. But then, since mahirap yung buhay, hindi kaya. And then, sabi niya, seamstress siya or mananahe until 50 years old. And then, she met Atomy. So, nung una, sabi niya, ang hirap. But then, she encouraged everyone, just endure it a little bit. You work 3 years, 5 years, just endure it a little bit, but you will become successful. Now, she had traveled the world. She had been to 90 countries, kahit ang language niya is just Korean. And his brother's an Imperial, another brother is a Royal Master. So kung nakita niyo yung income, di ba? Yung family nila, nag-change talaga yung buhay. And then she asked, whoever could guess kung magkano na yung monthly income niya, residual income na hindi na actively nagre-register ng tao, is at 40,000. So let me ask you again. So if studying Atomy in the next 2 years, and then it would give you $40,000 income per month, would you do it? Sabi niya, through Atomy, she's able to fulfill the dream of traveling the world. Ako nga, nung sabi ko, if Atomy will give me $2,000 passive income, I have to learn everything about Atomy. I have given up weekend job at that time. Sabi ko, that's the only way kasi ang training at that time is every Saturday. So, and whatever your dream is, kung ano yung would give you that passive income na you can be financially and would have that time freedom, how much ba? Kasi ang laki ng yung 100,000 pesos sa Pilipinas, I know it's already a lot. But our equal opportunity is from $60 or from $20 per day up to $1,200 per day. So, learning the Atomy, if we give you that opportunity and chance, would you plug into the system? Kasi the system is 99% made for you. So that 1% is your decision, your commitment para gawin. Kailangan may konti ka namang effort. napaka-unfair naman na lahat na lang si Atomy. Siyempre, hindi naman magbibuild si Atomy ng binary for you. At least, laway mo ang iyong puhunan. So, we have the successful system. We have the Success Academy. We have one-day seminar, center meeting like this. We have global seminar that like the lecture of Royal Master Peter Lee last Monday. And we have online seminar. And I also offer one-on-one training for those who would book, okay? And access my training. Although, panay lang naman ang tawa kapag nagte-training ako. Yan. Okay, so ask yourself again. Kasi lagi ang sa akin sa Rally Anatomy 101, it's always ride the bus, learn the bus, drive the bus. When do you want to be successful in Atomy? Kanina kung sinulat nyo yung why you have to do the Atomy, then the question is, what are the actions you have to take? Ask yourself again, when do you want to learn Atomy? Okay, so for next week, we will tackle drive the bus or drive the business, the third action. Yun yung pinaka-topic natin next week. So hopefully you get to invite your partners and your members to join our Zoom meeting again next Tuesday. A couple announcement, log into your Atomy mobile app for the seminar schedule. We will have the Korea Success Academy this Friday. It will start 12 p.m. dyan sa Pilipinas. So make sure you watch and learn from the leaders around the globe. Okay? Up promo sa mga mahilig gumamit ng peeling gel at peel-off mask. We have a 4+1 promo sa Pilipinas and matataas po ang point value ng products ng Atomy Hydro Brightening Set, Omega-3 and Ohm Energizing All-in-One. Okay? Sa Pilipinas pa rin, we have November 22 Success Academy sa Seda Ayala Center, Cebu, and is coming December. It would be held sa Mount Makiling Recreation Center. So, lahat ng training sa Atomy is actually libre except the Success Academy. Kasi sa Success Academy, it's still a win-win situation kasi magbabayad ka but then you get to eat sa Pilipinas 3 beses yata. May snacks, then may free gifts pa, and then you get to stay sa hotel. So, sobrang mura pa rin and sobrang affordable. And also, if you want to consider this as a business na seryoso talaga, Atomy Philippines is actually offering the pick-up center kung saan pwede nyong i-meet ang inyong mga members na libre. Kailangan nyo lang magpabook sa kanila para magamit nyo yung center, para dun kayo makapag-usap or ma-meet yung inyong team. You can even book this, yung kung saan nila held yung one-day seminar, kung malaki yung grupo nyo. Okay? So, lahat na lang ginawa. And of course, the Marinduque Global Center for all the business affiliates, you can use the center for free. And we are also offering free facial sa mga first time na matry ang products. Okay? Hindi lang po mga beauty products na meron si Atomy, we have different daily essentials. So, learn that from the center. Okay? I hope that everyone will go for gold. Ano ba yung gold na definition ko again? So, give yourself a chance. Okay? You have the choice. The power is yours. Your choice. Okay? Give yourself a chance to be very grateful for this gift of generosity. To own this billion-dollar business and be your own boss. O, diba? Like ako, parang CEO lang. Crazy executive officer ng aking company. Love yourself and your family as you empower your household. Enjoy this luxurious products as you switch your brand to Atomy. Pass this lifetime business up to the 3rd generation because this could be your legacy. And dream big. Decide now to act. Do Atomy. And do serve in humility. And that would end my presentation. Thank you sa lahat ng nanood sa Facebook. If you have reached this far, write dream, okay? And you can, hindi ko pa ma-figure out kung paano ako itatag. Just write dream and I can find you para makasali kayo sa ating Rally Anatomy gift-giving raffle for the 2024. Okay, now let's end with the company motto. Buti na lang nag-alarm. Kundi, overtime na naman. Okay, thank you all for watching. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Cherish
Cherish the children.
The vision.
Follow the faith. Turn into Okay, let me just share this screen. So yan, mag-babay kayo and wave to our Facebook viewers. We'll do with our second part, okay? And let me just stop the live stream. Bye everyone. I love you all. Thank you for watching.